I get a lot of calls from physicians that are looking to move into industry, whether that's medical affairs. We also get calls looking to move into clinical research. So from your side of things, what advice would you give physicians looking to make that transition from clinical practice into industry, whether that's devices or pharmaceuticals?
Yeah, look, the first thing I would recommend would be to seek out one of their former colleagues who've made the transition into the pharma or medical device world, and to talk through with a number of those physicians who've made that transition, what it is that they do. Because I think when you're a practicing clinician, you have very little knowledge of what a physician in industry can do and what their responsibilities are, how they can add value. I would also suggest that the multinational pharmaceutical company is not the only option. There's really 4 options. There's large device, large pharma company, and there's smaller, either private or recently listed biotech or medtech companies as well. So large and small device or drug. There is plenty of options there that a physician in industry can take.
Yep.
And the best way to go about determining where you should go would be by talking to your colleagues who've made that leap already.
What would you say are the 3 top attributes you would say are the most important to be successful in medical affairs?
Yeah, look, I think number 1 is similar to when you're a practicing clinician, is always put the interests of the patient first. So the interests of the patient and his or her treating clinician's needs. That can never be compromised, and if you do that, you'll always be doing the right thing. Secondly, I think absolutely critical to understand the unmet need that you are aiming to address, and what is your role in satiating or meeting that unmet need. And I would have to say that thirdly, I think it's critical to always look after your people, so the people that you lead, the people in your team, whether it's large or small, and your peers in other functions. Always look after, understand, know about, and develop your people, because doing that breeds loyalty, and loyalty drives strong team culture, and it's only with a team that we can achieve things. We can't do it by ourselves.
What would you say your greatest accomplishment was as a Chief Medical Officer?
Seeing people in my team take the opportunity to lead.
So to flip that question, with regards to accomplishments, what would you say was your biggest challenge as a Chief Medical Officer?
We had a large-scale clinical program, but not all of those large trials developed and delivered the results that we were expecting.